The month of November has been great for the cryptocurrency market, and as we are moving into the bullish December, the market is showing great signs. There have been great inflows in the ETFs, both in Bitcoin ETFs and the Ethereum ETF. Also, the meme coin rally is picking up. Altcoin momentum is also picking up. We have with us Mr. Manoj Dhara, our executive editor, who will give us views on these discussions and developments. What are the effects? What are the impacts? Manoj, we've seen Bitcoin moving in the range of $90,000 and $99,000. Altcoin momentum has picked up. Where do you think the market is heading? How is the market behavior right now?
So, this is a very interesting thing, Ruchi, that has happened in our markets. Let's talk about November, what happened in November, and then we can have a clear picture as we head into the December. Bitcoin has clearly recorded roughly around 130% YTD gain since January as we head into. There is a huge optimism as far as the Trump election is and the boost it has given to the cryptocurrency market. And that is actually the clear winner situation which we have. Post-halving and the Trump thing, that is something which we have seen. In November, if we talk about the Bitcoin gains, it has clocked 37% odd returns in the month of November. It has touched $99,000 about $99,500. So if we say that it has actually risen 45%, but this is actually a huge run in a month. It was never seen. And this is something which is really interesting. If we talk about the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETFs, there is really interesting data which is coming. US investors have poured in $6.4 billion in the spot Bitcoin ETFs. They're actually a huge number. And if we combine the entire episode, it is a meager only $411 million outflow which we have seen in the Bitcoin spot. So the second reason is the huge institutional inflows and the influx which we have seen, and the number is huge. If we talk about the Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, was a clear laggard as far as the Bitcoin ecosystem is concerned. Bitcoin and Ethereum used to have a very high correlation, but since the spot ETFs have been announced, Bitcoin has seen the rally. Trump ke baad mein, we have also seen that the major rally has actually led to a huge return. And here we are, $1.1 billion in the Ethereum ETFs. That is actually a huge number for the month of November only. They have clocked in. If we combine both, they are close to around $8 billion. That's actually a huge number.
Yes. So if we talk about exchanges have emerged as a clear-cut winner. What is happening at the exchange front?
So if we talk about the exchange thing, let's discuss about how the situation works for the crypto markets. As of now, the Bitcoin balances on exchange has actually fallen to 2.28 million BTCs, which is indicating a shift towards long-term holding. As we all are aware that if there is someone who wants to sell their Bitcoin, they will move from their wallet to the exchange. So as of now, because of the bullish momentum and the larger institutional play, we are seeing less Bitcoins being transferred to the exchanges. That is actually the third important reason which we are highlighting for our viewers. So actually the decline in the exchange balances highlight that the Bitcoin growing store of value treated more like the digital gold than a short-term trading asset. That's what an analyst have quoted. And the retail investors are also showing a huge interest in the Bitcoins.
So the picture is very rosy. Everything is going very, as per how everybody is expected. But are there any concerns in the market as of now?
Let's discuss this concern later on, but we'll talk about some numbers as far as the November trading volume, and this is actually our fourth point. So November trading volume in the spot crypto exchanges have actually risen to $2.7 trillion in November. And the highest since May 2021. That is actually a very important point, Ruchi. And the fourth reason why the market is showing a lot of optimism, there is a huge volume that is going on. In October, the market has also risen. But
almost doubled.
We have seen roughly around $1.14 trillion in as far as the total volume is concerned. So 36% in November trading volume came from Binance. So if we talk about the other ecosystem and the other altcoins that are performing, Binance is actually a clear winner in that. And coupled with, if you see the other futures and options data as well, as far as the trading volume is concerned, it has recorded $2.6 trillion. This is actually again a clear winner.
Right.
And there are many exchanges such as Crypto.com, Upbit, Bybit, and the other ecosystem players. But Binance is actually a clear leader. Keep an eye on this because analysts are very optimistic about wherever there is a trading volume, it gets impacted on the coin, and hence we are seeing this not a trading investment advisory. Consult a financial advisor before making any investment bets. And if this rally continues, if this trading volume saga continues, Binance is going to become a big winner as far as this thing is concerned.
That's great. So what are the concerns in the market as of now?
There are broad-based concerns in the market. If you talk about there are whale activities, as we all are aware, that whales play a very important role as far as building up this ecosystem is concerned. Institutional players, which we have seen. This is actually our fifth point. There are a lot of reports which have come that a whale tracking report which indicates a whale which has accumulated around 12,000 odd bitcoins between the March and November has actually transferred its 1,000 bitcoins on the exchange, and hence there is a small concern. 1,000 bitcoins there will be. As we have told to our viewers that whenever a whale moves their bitcoins from their wallet to the exchange, it means it's going to sell. This is actually the concern as of now in the market, but there are less negatives, Ruchi,
and more positives.
And there are more positives. If we talk about the Ethereum, although it is not, there are positive signs because the ETFs are picking up, the coin prices are picking up. If you see the other altcoins, Ripple's XRP, since the time Gary Gensler of SEC has stepped down, the big concerns have actually moved away from the Ripple's XRP system, and we have seen it become the third largest crypto. Solana is gaining, the other layer 2s and layer 3s are gaining. There is a huge difference that is happening in the gaming ecosystem. NFTs, you cover NFTs, what's happening in that front?
NFTs have shown a little sign of positivity. The NFT trading volume for the month of November was $562 million. So there are positive signs, but not as much. I think
it's yet to pick up, that means.
Yes, NFT will see its lost glory very soon.
So actually we are seeing a shift from the Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance has actually shrinked.
Yes,
that's the only, but that is not a negative, I can say that, because when the other market caps rise, so automatically it's a market share game.
The share goes.
Ripple's XRP has gained from roughly around $60 odd billion to $132 billion. Right. Solana has gained, Binance BNB has gained, the other ecosystem has been gaining, and time will tell, how this but there is a very important news which has come that Boya's pivotal towards the Bitcoin. Boya is, actually a Hong Kong-based company, which is actually moved to the Bitcoin ecosystem. So Boya was actually holding roughly around 14,000 Ethereum in its wallet, and it is transferred, or it has actually sold its Ethereum and it is converted into Bitcoins. So corporate strategy, Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy is clearly working for the markets. So actually, Ruchi, this is actually a very positive November, as we have seen. Huge volumes, a big ETF influx, lesser concerns, and this is what the December is going to be. There are a lot of positive as far as the entire ecosystem is concerned.
Right. So great times are coming ahead. That's all this conversation for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3.io or scan the QR code.